Thank you, pets. Oh, and it's soft. This is cashmere.
Oh, sorry.
100% acrylic. Thank you. It does feel like cashmere. Oh, that's nice.
An opening from Mom and Dad.
Nice.
My Red Ryder BB gun.
Yeah! Heavy duty!
Is it a club? No.
Thanks,
It's
pets.
an ice scraper and pusher.
Sweet.
Where'd you get that cute picture?
That was some nice moves there with that, Maddie. That was ninja.
Yeah.
Ice scraper and pusher.
I've learned my ninja moves from the
From the Hua?
from the there's a Colin has an app on his iPod that's I think like significant only to Apple products, but it's called Clumsy Ninja. And it's
Oh, you love
Tamagotchi.
Clumsy Ninja. You showed me. I love it too.